Today we've got a print in place swordfish. So this one is especially cool because I did a switch with filament colors part way through the print, and I actually printed this off on my old Ender, so that it was an easy thing to just flip out the filament for another one, and it looks sensational. So this is an absolutely gorgeous swordfish, and very impressed with how this came out, honestly. The grey and the white work beautifully here. So this is an extremely easy print in place model you can do yourself, and link in the description below to the original files and designer. It is just wonderful to 3D print this. Now when it comes to the settings for this, you need no infill or supports. It's a super easy and actually quite quick. This only took a couple of hours on my Ender, so very, very happy with it. And I think it's also one of the cutest print in place things I've ever freaking seen. Those teeth at the front are awesome. Now what I would say is if you're going to go with adhesion, which is recommended if you've got not great adhesion on your 3D printer, it's going to be slightly more of a pain in the ass to clean up that adhesion off the teeth, but really not that big of an issue. In this one I'm also going to do a little bit of a paint job on the eyes, because I think this will make it pop. Now I've already got the filament color going from white to grey, but I think these eyes are just going to add that extra little zing to it, and is going to look incredible. And I gotta say, the grey on this really worked out really good. It's a Sunling grey filament, and I don't know what it is. It's got a very sea creature kind of grey to it overall. So let's fast forward to this little bit of painting and on to the final product. So I think out of all the print and play stuff I've done, this is the one that I've enjoyed the most, and I would easily return to. The original designer here has done an absolutely gorgeous job, and I'm extremely happy with how it looks. It's got kind of a cartoony feel to the whole thing, and the change in filament really works with those teeth for sure. So I'm extremely happy with how it's come out. Really, really is a gorgeous little model and beautiful. Well worth it. And I really enjoyed making this. It was a great 3D print. Anyway guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and there's many more of these print and place models on the channel that I've checked out, so go ahead, they've even got their own dedicated playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.